What's going on, guys? It's me again, Manny at Manny Mods Garage. And as you can see, I'm still in my uniform like always. I'm always like coming out of work to do the videos. It's just been crazy. It's been very hectic. But anyways, let's get to the point. I am ecstatic. I've been waiting for these rims for a long time. Huge shout out to VFC Performance. So this is the first time I'm getting to look at them. So you know what? Let's just get to the wheels and then I'll talk to you a little bit later about the whole process. Oh boy, these are nice. Oh, they're nice and light. Man. The quality. Okay guys, so there they are. I'm extremely happy the way they came out. Just did a quick, I guess you could say, quality check to make sure that the carbon fiber is not broken. I still got to do the other ones when the video is over, but I just wanted to check out the carbon fiber, make sure that the lips are okay, make sure that the carbon fiber is not cracked, make sure that everything looks good from shipping. Once again, huge shout out to VFC Ford. Thank you so much for the wheels. I'm super happy. I'm ecstatic how light they are. I'm gonna get a scale and put the bead lock on the back so you guys can have an idea of how much they weigh, because that's the main question. Yes, you can make bead locks, that's fine, but you want to make sure that they're actually light so that you can actually, you know, take it to the track and save some weight. Bad. 29 pounds for the bead lock and then 31 for the actual 20-inch front rim. For a two-piece wheel, I can't complain for the monoblock in the back. I'm pretty sure there's lighter out there, but for something this custom, everything else is boring. What I do like about VFC Performance is the fact that you can customize any wheel, any style, any design you want. It doesn't matter if you want an OEM look. It doesn't matter if it's you want to change the offset. If you want to take an OEM wheel and make it a two-piece wheel, they can literally do anything you want, anything you dream of. They'll put it together. Communication, I'm not gonna lie, is a little hard because they are very, very busy, posting a lot, making sure that their content is being, you know, displayed in all types of platforms and stuff like that. So it's very hard to get in communication with them, but yes, they are a real company and they will provide the goods that you pay for. Their prices are very, very competitive with other companies. The process is basically, we'll talk about the specs, the design that you want, basic stuff, you know, color options and you know, bead locks and sizes and all that stuff, and then they'll give you a price. And then let's just say they're $4,000 for the set. You pay half up front, wait about three months, took a little longer, about 2 weeks more, but it takes about 3 months from the date that you actually accept the actual specs. So it's not when you actually start paying the money. No, it's from the day you accept the specifications after you pay the down payment. The down payment is not refundable, so you got to be careful with that, because once they start making these wheels, they really can't, you know, give you the money back. This is it. You know, they've already started cutting metal because these are one of one wheels. But overall, a huge shout out to my buddy named John from VFC Forge. Thank you so much, you know, for dealing with me, as I'm a very hectic person. I'm a very complicated person. I like what I want, and it is what it is. But I will provide you more customers. As you already know, I already got 2 customers before I even got my wheels. So I got more wheels on the way. I'm gonna show you some more wheels later down the road. Thank you again. I'm ecstatic. I can't wait to check them out and test fit them. I'll show you guys that in a second.
This, see these bolts right here?
Oh my gosh.
That's close. Look how close it is.
Dude, you can put a dollar bill in between that.
Some of those, like, some of the threads, depending on how they're turned. That's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
But hey, it fit.
Nice. Test fit. Beautiful.
The old school way.
God damn.
Oh, that fitment's perfect. Ooh, boy.
Happy?
Oh, yeah. I gotta check the back one now.
What car is that?
The Camaro car.
It's a Camaro car? What color is it?
Red and black.
Red and black?
Yeah.
That's good.
Car's on the ground, baby. It's just that I can't really go any lower, but it's good.
Yeah. That's good, babe.
I think what I'm so excited about is that the carbon fiber matches my actual carbon fiber fenders. Guys, super stoked. Thank you so much, VFC. You guys have been amazing. Quality's there. The build is there. The fitment was right on the money. Sorry if I doubted you guys from the beginning, but guys, if you guys are ever thinking about getting some VFC wheels, please don't be afraid, don't hesitate. Just get with the program, send your deposit, get your build going. Peace out.